everyone, welcome back on here. Thank you for clicking on the video. I trust we're all doing well and fine. Today we are going to be making a quick curry sauce, a good alternative to a regular tomato stew. So sit back, relax and watch me do this. And if you're not following me yet, please do not forget to click the follow button and also give me a thumbs up and share this video to others. Let's do this. To start with, I am going to be pan-searing the chicken I'll be using for the curry sauce. The chicken already I marinated days before. I used garlic powder, ginger powder, onions powder, salt and black pepper. So now I'm just putting the skin down first on the saucepan. When it's brown, I turn it over to the other side. When both sides are brown, I'll be transferring onto an oven tray and we'll be finishing it off in the oven. So it's ready now, transferring them into the oven tray. And I also will be using Brussels sprouts in the sauce. So now the Brussels sprouts I cut into two, salt goes in, sprinkle in a bit of black pepper, and I'll just toast on the saucepan for about 2 minutes. And then I'll transfer it onto the oven tray, and then we'll finish it off in the oven. So for the spices, I have a tablespoon of cumin, a tablespoon of garam masala, half a tablespoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of cloves, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, and also half a teaspoon of nutmeg. And in that bowl, I have 500 ml of coconut milk. So I return the saucepan back onto the gas. I added oil and then I have my chopped onions in there. I'm sauteing for about 2 minutes. Next, minced ginger and garlic goes in. I saute more to allow it to release its flavor. Now I added up all of the spices I had mentioned earlier. We are going to saute this for about 2 to 3 minutes or until you can begin to smell the sweet aroma in your kitchen. We are sauteing to allow it to release its great flavors. Now we added coconut cream. I would stir to make sure all is well combined. I'm going to cover now and allow it to come to a proper boil. After like 7 minutes I came to it, you can see it's boiling very well. Time to add the fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Next, chili pepper. So after cooking for about 2 more minutes, I now added the grilled chicken. This sauce, you can actually add different vegetables as well to eat. We're going to cook for another 5 minutes, come back to test and adjust seasoning, and then we'll add whatever vegetables we'll be using. After about 4 minutes, now I'm adding the grilled Brussels sprouts, and then I'm going to turn off the gas after 2 minutes. It is ready to be served with whatever carbohydrates, rice, potatoes, yam or whatever. This is really delicious. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.